Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. Over the years, I've helped hundreds of candidates prepare for the Amazon assessments and land jobs at Amazon. Amazon is one of the most competitive employers in the world. With millions of applications every year, it's estimated that only about 1 to 5% of candidates are hired. This is why knowing the process and preparing for each stage makes such a difference. In this video, I'll walk you through each stage of Amazon's hiring process in 2025, from the application and assessments, through the interview loop with the bar raiser, to the offer, pre-hire steps, and day one. I'll also share a realistic timeline and some practical tips to help you succeed. So, let's jump right in. For corporate or technical roles, applications go through Amazon.jobs, where you upload your resume and answer screening questions. Like most large companies, Amazon uses an applicant tracking system, or ATS, to filter resumes. That means that the right keywords from the job description, plus clear, measurable results, are essential to make sure that your resume gets seen by a recruiter. To help you with this, we offer a free CV Enhancer tool that optimizes your resume for ATS systems. I'll leave a link in the description. The Amazon online assessment is one of the most important and most challenging stages of the hiring process. It's also where many candidates get filtered out. For most roles, you'll need to complete 2 key tests: the Amazon Work Simulation Assessment, which puts you in real workplace scenarios where you decide how to act, and the Amazon Work Style Assessment, a personality style test that measures how well your approach aligns with Amazon's leadership principles. For technical roles, you may also face a coding challenge or an analytical test. Because this stage is so critical, we've created a separate video that explains Amazon assessment questions, answers, strategies, and the Amazon leadership principles in detail. You'll find the link in the description. After the assessments, successful candidates are invited to Amazon's interview loop. This usually includes 4 to 6 interviews with managers, peers, and cross-functional team members. Within this loop, one interviewer is designated as the bar raiser. The bar raiser isn't from the hiring team. They're specifically trained to make sure every new hire truly raises the bar. At Amazon, raising the bar means that each person hired should be at least as strong as, if not stronger than, the average employee in that role. In these interviews, expect behavioral questions. For technical or corporate roles, expect coding, designing, or written exercises as well. Once the interview is complete, Amazon's hiring panel holds a debrief meeting. Each interviewer shares their feedback, and together, they decide whether you've met the bar and fit with the company's culture. If the decision is positive, you receive a contingent offer through Amazon's hiring portal. This means that the offer depends on successfully completing background checks and customer-facing positions, a drug test as well. To boost your chances of success at Amazon, here are some tips, step by step. Customize your resume with measurable results and keywords from the job description. Practice in advance for the Amazon Work Simulation and Work Style Assessment. Many candidates are eliminated here, so preparation makes a big difference. The interviews. Prepare STAR-based examples. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and results. This format helps you give clear, structured answers. Be proactive. Respond quickly to recruiter emails and schedule interviews or pre-hire appointments as soon as possible. This can shorten the overall process. Amazon's hiring process is competitive, but with the right preparation, you can stand out. Don't forget to check out our Amazon online assessment video for a full breakdown of the Amazon Work Simulation, Work Style Assessment, and much more. You are more than welcome to visit our site. The link is in the description. Also, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section on which role you're applying for. Our experts will gladly assist you in the preparation. And once again, best of luck with your application.